Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? America's Gamer here with another throwback reaction. Hey, that is a series. We are here in the series. The series is still here. We're there with Vybz Kartel, New Jordan. About 10 years ago, this dropping on. Vybz Kartel, New Jordan. Let's jump in the one here with the GFS. No, I ranked him up on. Let's jump in the one here with the GFS. We now waste no time.
Pull up! Yo!
Because time is money.
Let's go!
Hey, let's go.
Let's go!
Head concussions, record because of Rvssian. Let's go.
Hey, Rvssian!
New Jordan, it and the hypest thing.
New Jordan, it and the hypest thing.
New Jordan, it and the hypest thing. New Jordan, it and the hypest thing.
Me prefer walk barefoot and bow for your shows, my youth.
Lift out! Lift out!
Let's go!
Lift out! What? What am I just saying? Listen, remember say Kartel we are talking about here now. We are talking about Vybz Kartel. Let's go. Let's go. Take out my glass card. This is about to get crazy. Insane. Hey.
Hey,
New
Rvssian!
Jordan, it and the hypest thing.
New Jordan, it and the hypest thing. New Jordan, it and the hypest thing. Jordan 21, 24. Me prefer walk barefoot than bow for your shoes, my youth. You say you win, but you lose, my youth. Yo, brother, me say me not bow down. Me prefer walk barefoot like Muta Baruka because I say Muta. Damn bow for your shoes. No boy can't see me things and say them by that give me no. If me not have it, me do without. Some boy put them button. Alright, let's go.
Walk barefoot and bow for your shows, my youth.
You say you win, but you lose, my youth.
In a New Jordan with a Versace suit. Every girl when me pass off is a
You secure.
Lock up your girl when I'm passing. Remember when I'm passing the girl and nipple show out like full mouth? Every girl when me pass them say me cute. That's what the G said, not me. Every girl when me pass them say me cute. Me I say that too. Yeah, let's go.
in a New Jordan with a
Let's go.
Versace suit. Every girl when me pass off is a
You, you're cute.
how do the match down to the square road.
Yeah.
Every girl just drop like I'm a beer road.
Do the maths down a square root. Every girl just drop like down a. Come on, man.
How do the match down to the square road. Every girl just drop like I'm a beer road.
Yeah.
Star strike and me could be substitute. Them a no soldier or some just come recruit.
Man, a star striker, brother. Me could never be substitute. Man, unless up on the field, I'm in the starting 11. I'm finishing 2. Unless I'm injured, and I'm never injured. Me now I'm no bench. Man, a star striker, brother. Never be a substitute.
Star strike and me could be substitute. Them a no soldier or some just come recruit.
Yeah.
Everybody in a one of them. Everybody.
I'm Mr. G, that's how I go.
come recruit. Everybody in
Oh,
a
I'm thinking
one
Mr.
of
G.
them.
Everybody in a one of them.
Sing no.
Everybody in a one of them. Everybody in a one of them. Me prefer walk
Hey
barefoot.
girl, coming soon to a pussy near you.
Hey girl, coming soon to a city. No, not city. Coming soon to a pussy near you. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I'll be in your city. I'm coming to a city near you. No. The boss say I'm coming to a pussy near you. Let's go.
Everybody in a one of them.
Hey.
Hey girl, coming soon to a pussy near you. Hard to a fuck, pull out your ear do.
I which country this them in now? I know Jamaica this. But anyway, hardcore pull out your ear do. Yeah, but now what you say, baby, me give you money for the back of ear. Me give you money for the back of ear. Here.
Coming soon
To a pussy near you.
Hard to a fuck, pull out
Your
your
ear
ear do. Two pussy jam me party in two. What a pum pum tight cock up no Hindu.
You two pussy jar them party thing too. And go right inside. Knock knock, let me in. Yeah. What a loyal girl, me love you, Hindu. So the part that Hindu did have Gaza Hindu have a song where she said loyal girl. So let's go.
Two pussy jam me party in two. What a pum pum tight cock up no Hindu.
Cock up!
Jordan, it and the hypest thing.
No, wait, no, it's say cock up Hindu. Yo, look like cock. Let's go.
Pussy near you. Hard to a fuck, pull out your ear do. Two pussy jam me party in two. What a pum pum tight cock up no Hindu.
Cock up no Hindu. Remember say Gaza Hindu, you know. Gaza Hindu you have. Alright. The ladies them within Gaza and Empire, you have Lisa Hype. First lady, you have Vanessa Bling. which is Gaza Slim. You have Sheba. You have Indo. Who else you have? Kim. The 5 ladies, you know. Who else you have? I think that's it.
Two pussy jammy party thing too. What a pum pum tight.
Me love you. Oh,
Jordan it a the hypest thing.
I me said you Jordan it a the
hypest thing.
You Jordan it a the hypest thing. You see me come here do this every minute? Cool, let me wash my face with that. Me gonna react to that song there too.
You Jordan it a the
Me gonna react to that song there too.
You Jordan it a the hypest thing.
You Jordan it a the
hypest. You Jordan it a the hypest thing. You Jordan it a the hypest thing. You Jordan it a the hypest thing. You Jordan it a the hypest.
Down a Salt Spring, me go link up a few girl. Me always think about you, girl.
This come like one Spanish speaking country them in you know. You know which country this them in though? Which country them in guys? I'm not Jamaica this. Which country them in?
Down a Salt Spring, me go link up a few girl. Me always think about you, girl. Oh, me gone.
Here the boss forward from Portmore all the way to Salt Spring, all the way to Mobile, I'm gonna link up a few girl, cause the man is a think about you, girl. Yeah. The boss will tell us say he will travel the length and breadth of the country just to come see you, cause he's thinking about you. You know, so when him forward to pussy off a plot, he must go enter.
Spring me go link up a few girl. Me always think about you, girl. Oh, me gone a Westmoreland, down a Russia. He go link up a new girl.
Big up my G them from around Russia, I don't know myself, and I have to call the name on this. Big up my friend them from around Russia and a West. Bad place, man, I have to call the name on the know myself. Alright, let's go.
Down a Salt Spring, me go link up
Up
a few girl. Me always think about you, girl. Oh, me gone a Westmoreland, down a Russia. He go link up a new girl. In a pair of the size 12, higher than the astride bill. Tell you make liquid.
But in a pair of the size 12, higher than the astride. Yo, Kartel doing research, wicked in that.
Pair of the size 12, higher than the astride bill. Tell you make liquid get harder, high smell. Nobody miss our appointment.
You make liquid get harder and high smell.
One new girl, in a pair of the size 12. Higher than the astride bill. Tell you make liquid get harder, high smell. Nobody miss our appointment. Everybody in a one of them. Everybody in a one of them. You know sing.
You make liquid. No, me can't go over the bar.
Tell you make liquid get harder, high smell.
You make liquid get harder and ice melt. Remember say when liquid get harder turn into ice and ice melt.
Higher than the astride bill. Tell you make liquid get harder, high smell. Nobody miss our appointment.
No miss your appointment, baby, in a one of them. Hey.
Everybody in a one of them.
I hear that.
No sing no.
Everybody in a one of them. Hey.
Everybody in a one of them.
Hey girl,
coming soon
to a pussy near you.
Hard to a fuck, pull out your ear do. Two pussy jammy party thing too. What a pum pum tight cock up no Hindu.
Jordan it a the hypest thing. You Jordan it a the hypest thing. You Jordan it a the hypest thing. You Jordan it a the hypest. You Jordan it a the hypest thing. You Jordan it a the hypest thing. You Jordan it a the hypest thing. You Jordan it a the hypest thing.
I'm curious to know which country it is. I'm curious to know which country. Let me see if we can see it in the credits. Let me see if we can see it in the description. Which country they mean. Rvssian, put it in, please. You know, say it. Damn. God damn. That's some Spanish speaking country though. Rvssian. Think of yourself, bro. You've been that guy from them time till now. You still do it. You see me? You know the thing again, real boss thing different, you know? Yeah. Like me say now the reaction now, because I keep going at that, I react to cool, let me wash my face with the cakes up, cool, let me wash my face. Me no love man, so get off of me. Alright? So I'm gonna say that is one more out of the catalog of the throwback. Oh yeah, do. So big up on yourself. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.